How to do the block blast glitch. In this video, I will guide you on how to perform the block blast glitch. First, launch the game and navigate to the area where you want to execute the glitch. Open the app and identify the specific blocks required for the tricks. Next, position yourself correctly and activate the necessary in-game mechanics to trigger the glitch. Follow the steps carefully to ensure it works correctly. You will see the glitch in action. As you can see, performing the block blast glitch is simple if you done correctly. So that's it for today. If you have found this video informative, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Until next time, goodbye.